Okay, today on Great Taste of Las Vegas, we are going to make moist blueberry chocolate Ovaltine chocolate cake. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to beat egg whites in here. We'll use 6 eggs. We separate the egg yolk and egg white. Egg white going to be whipped in here to firm it up, and egg yolk going to batter itself. Okay, and we put a little bit of salt in here and start whipping the egg white. Half teaspoon. After that, when it whipped pretty good like this already, white whip, you add in half cup of sugar. Okay, at the meantime, we'll turn the stove on to 350. So we're going to put the egg white inside to go in the middle so it whips a little bit, 1 more minute. Okay, so now we beat the egg white for about 4-5 minutes. Now it's all puffed up, it's good, now it's ready to go. In here, we already have the egg yolk. And we're going to add in here a little bit of cinnamon, like half tea of cinnamon in here. After that, we're going to add in 1 cup of Ovaltine. We'll just stir like that. 1 cup of non-fat Greek yogurt. This is to make the cake moist. So we put in about 1 cup. And we just mix. Now the next thing we do is to add oil into this. 1 to 1 cup of oil. 1 stick of butter melted in a microwave oven. Okay. Open it and microwave in a microwave oven. We'll do it 30 seconds. The 30 seconds, it's soft butter and also melting butter is also good. Okay. Put them together. Whatever left over here, just put them onto, we're going to butter the pan with some butter. Using a stir, just mix them with a mixing tool. Try to match it good like that. We're going to sift the flour, okay? 1 cup of this flour, and then another half cup. And then we're going to use half cup of rice flour. We're going to use baking powder, 2 teaspoons. 1, 2. Now we're going to use this to mix it together. Okay, so we just sifted the flour. So what you do right now is just mix it in with the liquid. Mix it together like that. Make for the flour to blend. Okay, next we're going to put in chocolate chip, about 1 cup of chocolate chip. And then we're going to put in some blueberries. We're going to put a little bit of flour in them. And then shake it like that. Drop the blueberry in. And then we're going to use our egg white. First, just fold it like that. We add the whipped egg white with sugars, a little bit of salt into it. Gradually. This is going to be a moist chocolate cake, chocolate Ovaltine cake. And then we're going to put it into a bigger pot so you can whip them easier. And from there, we can just put them into a pan to bake, okay? We already have some butter from this, and we're going to put in some coconut oil. So the cake won't stick, okay? This is the pan, we're going to put a little bit of flour on it to make sure they don't stick. So what do we do is like that. Okay, make sure they all clean around before you put it in the oven. And we're going to top with walnut before we put it in. Top with some walnut, chopped walnut. This is roasted walnut, okay? Okay. In about 18 or 20 minutes, we're going to check it and look at it to see if it, put a chopstick in to see if it's dry. It's dry, it is cooked. We test this cake, it's dry. The first chocolate cake is done. We're going to make sure that they come out, look pretty good. And then we'll bring the other one and put it over here. The second one thicker and bigger, so it'll take another 4 more minutes. Okay, for this, we're going to make a little piece cake. It's very soft now. It's a moist cake. Here you go. Our moist Ovaltine chocolate chip blueberry chocolate cake. From Great Taste of Las Vegas, hope you're happy and healthy.